Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin chapter 4, which is a poem in the Bazaars of Hyderabad. It is written by Sarojini Naidu. She was a freedom fighter and poet. Her poems depicted the life and events of the India at a time and are widely read in India and abroad. In this poem, the poet is describing about the bazaars of Hyderabad. The poem consists 3 stanzas. She has written the poem many years before. The bazaars were completely transformed, but she has described it very beautifully of the bazaars of that time. In the first stanza, the poet begins with a question from the poet to the merchants in the bazaar about what they are selling. The merchants reply that they are selling silver and crimson colored turbans, purple brocade tunics, mirrors framed in amber, and daggers with handles made of jade. The second stanza is about another stall, and the same question is asked by the poet to the vendors about what they are weighing and selling. Saffron, lentils, and rice are being sold by the vendors. The poet asks the maidens what they are grinding, and she gets a reply that they are grinding henna, sandalwood, and spices. The poet then questions the peddlers about what they are selling, and they say chessmen dice made from ivory. The third stanza takes us to a jewelry store, where the poet asks the goldsmith what ornaments they make. Wristlets, anklets, and rings are made in the reply. Moreover, they say the manufacture bells for blue pigeons to be tied to their feet. The bells are the bells are as delicate as a dragonfly's wing. Simultaneously, they make gold girdles for dancers and shields for kings to keep their swords. Now, these poems all over the difficult words which I have written, their meanings are in your textbook. So copy down all the difficult words with their meanings of the poem and also learn it. Secondly, copy down the summary of the poem which I told. Thirdly, complete all the exercises of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.